To balance this combustion reaction, let's count the atoms up on each side. So we have 8 carbons, 14 hydrogens, and 2 oxygen. On the product side, we have the 1 carbon, 2 hydrogens, and then 2 oxygens. But do not forget the oxygen here in water. That's important. We have 3 of those. We're going to leave the oxygens till last. That's a real good idea with combustion reactions because oxygens by itself, when I change this, it won't change the carbon or hydrogens. So leave that until last. Let's see. We'll put an 8 in front of the CO2. 1 times 8, that would balance the carbon atoms. We need to update the oxygen atoms here. So we have 8 times 2, that's 16, plus that 1 in the water, that gives us 17. Okay, let's just balance the hydrogen atoms. 14 here and the 2 here, so we need to put a 7 in front of water. 2 times 7, that equals 14, and then now we have to do the oxygens one more time. 2 times 8 is 16 plus the 1 times 7. That gives us 23 oxygen atoms. So that's kind of a problem. We have 23 here and 2 here. But if we can change the coefficient in front of the oxygen so we end up with 23 oxygens, we'll be done. So if we think about it, 2 times some number will equal 23. 2 times 23 over 2, that would equal 23. These would cancel out, give us 23. So let's put a 23 over 2 is our coefficient. And now this equation, it's balanced. This is the correct ratio. These are the correct ratios for the equation, but some teachers don't like to have things over here with these fractional coefficients. To fix it, just put a 2, multiply everything by 2. When we do that, 2 times 1, that gives us a 2 for our coefficient on the C8H14. 2 times 23 over 2, 2's cancel out. Coefficient of 23, 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 7 is 14. So these are the whole number coefficients for this reaction. Either way, both are correct. Sometimes teachers want to have whole numbers though. The key here, do the oxygens last and then use this fractional trick here to get your oxygens finally balanced. This is Dr. B with the balanced equation for C8H18 plus O2. Thanks for watching.